In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display a code in a WordPress website. Whether you're a developer showcasing your latest work, a blogger sharing a handy code snippet, or someone customizing a website design, WordPress makes it simple to display code in a clean and readable format. Today, we'll walk through the process step by step so that you can add and display code on your WordPress site with ease, even if you're new to the platform. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to www.wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button in the top right corner and give it a click. Now, to make the process faster and more secure, you'll want to log in using your Google account. Simply select Continue with Google, and this will save you the hassle of manually entering your WordPress username and password. Keep in mind, if you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one that's linked to your WordPress site. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your WordPress dashboard. Take a look at the right-hand panel, where you'll see a section labeled Quick Links. From there, click on Edit Site, which will take you directly to your site editor. Now that you're in the editor, you'll want to add a new block for your code snippet. To do this, locate the plus icon, which is typically in the top left corner of the editor. Clicking on this icon opens up a variety of content blocks you can add to your page, and it's the key to customizing your site content. Next, type code into the search bar at the top of the block library. This will filter the options and make it quick and easy to find the code block. When the code block appears in the results, click on it to insert it directly into your page. Once the code block is added, you're ready to paste or type your code snippet directly into the block. This is where your custom code comes to life. Whether it's HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or any other type of code, this block is designed to display it clearly and correctly on your site. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Depending on whether you're editing a draft or updating a live page, you can either save the changes or publish them immediately. Once saved or published, your code will be displayed on your WordPress site for all to see. And that's how you display a code in a WordPress website. By following these steps, you can easily add custom code snippets to your site in a way that looks professional and functions perfectly. If you have any questions or tips to share, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.